y'all, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing what I got in my BoxyCharm for the month of January. Can't believe it's already 2018. Like, I know everybody says that all the time, but like, time literally just whoosh, goes right over your head. So, today's video is all about the BoxyCharm. I have already opened this. I already know what's in it. I have used some of the products today on my face. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. It'd mean the world to me if you became a Julesy. And let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So the theme for this month is Rock 2018. This is the little card that it came with. It also has everything on the back and how much everything is worth. So to start, the first item I got in my box this month is this Luminizer Primer. Pores No More Dr. Brandt primer, I should say. I used this on my face today. This felt so good. I didn't really pay attention to my pores and if I could see them, but it definitely did smooth out my skin. It was really nice. I think my makeup today looks a little better than what it normally does. It says, Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. I think my skin looks really good today and it's because of this. So, this retails for $38. $38 for this. And there's 1 fluid ounce in here. Like, what? One thing that was kind of different is you take the cap off, you take it off and this is what it looks like, and then you put it on your hand and it comes out looking like foundation almost. So, watch. It literally is like this weird cream, but it blends out and then your skin is left feeling so smooth. Oh my lord, I love it. So that is an A+. And just with this being $38, this is already paid for your box. So next up is this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. This is for obviously your face, but this is what it looks like. I did dip in this today. That is the highlight. This right here is this. It's blinding. Like, watch. Blinding. Blinding. So it comes with a bronzer, blush, and a highlight. I will say right now, this bronzer, it's okay. Like, I used it today, but then I had to, see how it's like kind of muddy right here? It just like, when I was putting it on, I like barely had any on my brush and I was just brushing it on like I normally would, and then it just left this huge muddy spot right here. Made me so mad. I was like, really? So, I don't know if I'm gonna have to keep playing around with it and maybe use a different brush. So, I don't know. But this blush and this highlight is beautiful. Very beautiful. Nice natural look. Gives you kind of like a glow. This is a win for me except for the bronzer. The bronzer, no. No. It was muddy. No thank you. This Bronze and Brighten cheek palette retails for $34. Says an on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Huh. So yeah, makes you look glowy. Featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade called Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. Yeah, you can definitely use this for traveling because it also does have a mirror in it. So overall, it's very nice. We'll just have to bring a different bronzer for traveling. So next up is this IT Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. This literally is my new favorite brow pencil. My brows look so good. When I first saw it though, I was like, Universal Brow Pencil, what the hell? How is everybody gonna get to use this? But literally, you just have to apply it lightly, and if you want a darker finish, then you just have to kind of press down a little bit harder. But this is what the component looks like. You get the shade with the actual pencil, and then you get your little spoolie on the other side. This is such great quality. Like, I love this brow pencil, and I'm sad that I'm addicted to it because I'm sure it's expensive. So the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eye Pencil is $24. $24 for this, like, I don't know. Developed with plastic surgeons, IT Cosmetics #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin, a whole bunch of ingredients, brow power technology to give you your most beautiful natural-looking brows even if you have none at all. Plus its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair and includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. That was the description. Jesus. I really like these brows though today. Like, very nice. The fourth item in this month's BoxyCharm is this Glam Metals eyeshadow palette by Crown. Kind of goes with the theme of rock, I mean, definition of rock. So when you open the palette up, this is what it looks like. I like how the mirror is actually like the shape of a guitar, kind of cool. But this is what the shadows look like. These shades look really nice, but you'll have to dip into another palette because there's only one matte shadow and it's the black. So that's the only downer about it, but these shadows feel very creamy. So here are some swatches. They look pretty nice, but for an everyday look, I don't, like how my eyes are today, I don't wear them like that all the time. So if you are a person who's into the metals and the shimmers and the metallics and whatnot, this eyeshadow palette will be for you. I just don't know if this is something I will gravitate towards because, I don't know. I'm more of a neutrals kind of girl. I'm always wearing a nude lip. Besides today is like the first day that I'm wearing a red lip on my channel. So, I don't know. I could probably give this to a friend and see if they like it and will enjoy it more so than me. This eyeshadow palette retails for $25 and it is a full size eyeshadow palette. It's like the same size as Kylie's, how it has the 3x3. So the last item that we got is Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. I got the shade Demure. This looks really nice. Like this color, I would probably wear. Like that looks very pretty. Says one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or a lip primer before you apply it. This retails for $23. So let's see what she smells like. Kinda smells like vanilla a little bit. Ooh. This is beautiful. That is very beautiful. I like the dark muted. It's even more muted than this shade. This is I'm Shook from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Manny MUA's collab. This sort of reminds me of the color Duchess from Ofra by Nikki Tutorials. So I don't own it, but I've seen many people use it on their channels and Instagram, social media, whatever. And this color kind of reminds me of it. So I'm excited to play around with it. And another thing I like is the packaging of this box. Like, it's so cute how it has the detailing and it seems very vintagey. I like it. So after adding everything together from this little card, The box this month comes out to $144. Holy cow, that's I think one of the highest values that we've had from BoxyCharm in a while. Like literally, the products for me in this BoxyCharm that are worth it are definitely the primer, the brow pencil, and I'm curious about this Girl Lactic lipstick, and I do love this palette. I do love the blush and I do love the highlight. I mean, hello, like Jesus, I barely tapped my brush in and went do 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 do, and it came out like that. So yeah, that is it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my box. If you got any similar items, then just leave me a comment down below in the comment section. If you like these sort of videos, then please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. And I hope to catch you guys all in the next video. Bye!